White Bear families, welcome to the instructional video for Tier 1 Essential Care as well as before and after and Friday options for care for your child. The first thing you'll need to do is visit the White Bear LEO website at whitebear.ce.leo.com, and up in the upper right hand corner you will have the option to sign in. This is where you'll provide your LEO account information or create your new account. Once you log in, you'll be brought to your dashboard where you can scroll all the way down to enroll in Extended Day and Elementary Tier 1. On this page, you will see on the left-hand side any child you have added in your account that is eligible to register for Extended Day or Elementary Tier 1. First, you need to select the student and verify their information. If everything looks good, you can hit Looks Good, Start Registering. You must verify emergency contact information and authorized pickups to continue registration at this point. You need to have at least 2 contacts in order to proceed. If you do not have 2 contacts, you can create a new emergency contact by clicking here. Otherwise, verify contacts and pickups and continue. On this page, you are indicating the site you wish to create your registration. You will need to select your student's home site. This may mean that for multiple students, you will need to select different locations. Once selected, you may click Use Location and continue. For my son, he is currently registered in Vadnais Heights Elementary and I qualify as a Tier 1 employee. So I'm going to select Vadnais Heights Elementary Tier 1. At this point, I have 2 options in order to create a contract for Extended Day and Tier 1 care. If I know I would like to pick the same days of the week throughout the year, I can choose the consistent schedule that will offer a lower rate. If I'm looking for a varied schedule, I would select the Pick Your Day contract option. For my family's needs, we're able to choose a consistent schedule. When I scroll down, I can see all of the options available for care at the Vadnais Heights Elementary School location, as well as where care will be held on Fridays. In the case of Vadnais, Willow, and Lincoln, this care will be held off-site, and the site will be indicated at the end of the registration title. A couple of things that I need to keep in mind while registering my student for care is the first, his last name starts with a C, which means he will be in school on Mondays and Wednesdays. So that means that I will need care on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I am a Tier 1 worker, so I qualify for free care from 9 o'clock until 3:40 each day. As I scroll down, I will be able to see that option. However, my work schedule currently requires that I have care for my son from 6:30 to 6. So I am going to be choosing the care options that I will need in order for him to be safe during the school week. The first portion of my contract will need to be 6:30 to 9 a.m. Monday through Thursday, as I will need him to attend before school care, even on the days that he's enrolled in class. On Fridays, I also need him to be on site from 6:30 to 6, so I will choose that option in addition. However, because I've already chosen 6:30 to 6 on Fridays at Lake Ayres, I do not need to choose 9 to 2:40 because this option already includes these hours. Owen is in school on Mondays and Wednesdays, so I only need care from 9 to 2:40 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And I select that here. This is another option for Friday if I needed to piece together my schedule to provide the after-school free extension from 2:40 to 3:40. However, because I already selected care for Owen from 6:30 to 6 at Lake Ayres on Fridays, I do not need to select this option. I do, however, need to select this option for Monday through Thursday from 2:40 to 3:40, as I will need him to have care every day he is in class or when he is provided the Tier 1 essential care from 9 to 2:40. Finally, I need care from 3:40 to 6 every day, Monday through Thursday. Monday through Friday, I'm covered for on Fridays because that's 6:30 to 6, so I don't need to select this option. However, I'm not covered on Monday through Thursday, so I'll have to select all of those days. This next page takes me to the registration questions that I'll need to complete. There are a couple of extra registration questions for our Tier 1 employees, including a verification of employment. When I scroll down, I see that I need to provide a letter indicating my Tier 1 employment. It also has to include my first and last name, and this letter can be sent to communityservices@isd624.org. Once I complete all of these registration questions, I hit Complete Questions and Continue to add a payment option.